how gigantic it is. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm sure today you will see my dog Maple a lot in this video because I have food here. She's waiting me to eat this so she can eat. Now I'm in Zagreb, Croatia. So here are two cream cakes. These cream cakes are pretty popular in Central Eastern European countries. I know in Hungary there is a pretty famous one as well. I also, when I went to Slovenia, there is it's called like a Bled cream cake. There is a hotel right next to Lake Bled, and they serve this cream cake. It's really popular as well. So the reason why I got these cream cakes are because of my favorite Japanese travel guide. And in this guidebook, it was two places near Zagreb were featured. It seems like these cream cakes are called Kremšnite. I don't know how to pronounce it very well, but it's literally cream, right? Especially Kremšnite, called Samobor Kremšnite, are really famous one. These are cream cakes from Samobor, which is about like 25-30 minutes by car from Zagreb. So I went there, and these two, so one from the really big one, this one is from Rivadeci, and the other one is, this one is from Uprolac. So these two are really famous, so that's why I thought, okay, let me try both and see which one I really like. So these stores are really close to each other. It's just only like maybe 5 or 6 different stores in between. This one, the big one from Rivadeci, is like 14 kuna, so which is about around $2. And then this one was a 12 kuna, less than $2 maybe this one. But like, see, the size are very different. And both are cream custard. I think like a cream custard and whipped cream, I guess, are served with their puff pastries. Okay, so let me try. Maybe I'm gonna try from Rivadeci. Sorry, I wanted to put this into their plate, but just don't know how to scoop it out very nicely. So let me try this. I'm not really a big fan of pastry actually. Let me try once more. It's not really sweet. Which is, I like it, you know, it's not really overly sweet. I can't really taste custard either. So let me try the other one. Uprolac, yes. So this is the one. Let me try the cream first. Okay. This has more eggy taste. Really, it's very different. Wanna try the pastry as well. It's difficult to eat. This is much sweeter than, well, it is not too sweet, okay, not really like American sugary taste, but between these two, definitely this has a taste and then sweeter than this. Puff pastry tastes really like flour, very flour-ish. This side, this one from the Upuros has more like pastry, you know, the flakiness. You see all these layers very nicely. On the other hand, you know, not many layers. You see it? This side has more thicker. Between these two, I like Upuros more because like I can really taste the custard. This one, I can't really taste that much and I don't really like the pastry. So like now I tasted both, right? And I want to do the blind taste as well. Let me do the blind taste. So you see this dish, okay? So one side is where they are, you know, chair legs, and the other one is a cushion, lavici, I guess. On the leg side, and then the other one I'm gonna put on the cushion side. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close my eyes and then spin this and then see which one I'm gonna like, okay? So only you see it right now. So scared, okay, so this one, I'm gonna try this one. Okay, I think this is lavici. Okay. So now I did it. Where is the plate here? Okay. And then what? Where is another? Oh, there it is. Okay. No, this is a lavici. When I tasted both, then I can tell this is lavici for sure. Yes, I was right. I wasn't right the first one, but when I tasted both, I could definitely tell this is lavici. Yeah, between these two, definitely I will recommend going to Upuros. To be honest with you, the one from Hungary is called the pastry shop name, I think Rusworm. I like that one way better than this because maybe I prefer whipped cream over custard, so maybe that's the reason why, but definitely between these two I would definitely go with this one. Hope you enjoyed my video today. So I just finished recording and I was checking the Japanese guidebook and see how it said actually. So this side is La Prose and then this one is Rivadeci. Like I said, I prefer this one because it's stronger, like eggier taste and the custard cream. This doesn't really give you any taste. And funny thing is, so they said about the sweetness, softness, and then the crunchiness of the puff pastry. So in this guidebook, it said La was less sweeter than Livateci, which was, I felt this had this sweeter. And then the softness I didn't really tell, but I think both are pretty much the same. Like this, it said like this one has a strong, like much softer than this. And then the puff pastry was really the same. I felt like this La Pros has like, you know, more texture and crunchier than this. It was pretty interesting result. I felt definitely La Pros is sweeter than this one, but everyone has a different taste, I guess. So anyway, again, I'm going to close my video today. Thank you for watching my video today. Bye!